Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, I just want to cover quite an important topic, which is basically why you should remove trading apps from your phone. Why I think it's quite important, and how it'll literally change your trading for the better. Um, so basically the reason why I want to take you through this is because I have practiced this in the past. I have implemented this in the past, and it really improved my trading and really decreased my losses and like increased my winners. So basically, what happened on Thursday was I wasn't following my strategy, and I took a stupid loss here on the Nasdaq. Basically, I took a trade at this point, and I was targeting just above the 15,500 level. And basically, what happened was it was just a scalp. 99% of the time, I do have a stop loss, but in this case, I didn't have a stop loss. I was just looking for a quick scalp from this level up to this level, because normally when price comes to a round number like this, up to 15, this is 15,500. So when price comes up to a round number, what will normally happen is it'll shoot above it and then drop down, or shoot above it and carry on going above. So I was targeting just a few pips, and the market ended up crashing, and I was actually ended up down about 7 or 8% on my account. And I sat in this trade for about 16 hours. I added a few positions as it dropped, a few light positions, and luckily the market recovered, and I recovered from that drawdown. But it ruined my whole day the next day, because I sat in drawdown for like 16 hours. And this market could have easily crashed even more. I could have even lost more on my account due to a stupid mistake. And the reason why I took this trade from my phone, I was like half asleep. I was only awake for about 2 minutes, and I took this trade impulsively, and it went in my favor, and it just dropped. I wasn't following my strategy because, as I've explained before in previous videos, that I like to trade RSI divergence or stochastic divergence as part of my strategy, alongside a few other things. As you can see, the stochastic here was making divergence, so the price was making higher highs, and the stochastic was making lower highs. So this was after this candle closed. This is actually a perfect setup right here for a nice sell, but instead I wasn't analyzing my charts properly on TradingView or on MetaTrader like I should be, and the market basically just dropped. So this is actually my strategy, to take a sell here, but I took a buy, so I actually went totally against my strategy, based on just because I took a random trade from my phone. So going back to this here, so let's just go through this quickly. So 5 reasons why you should remove trading apps from your phone. Well, I think it's super beneficial. I think it's going to increase your win rate. It's going to increase your discipline. It's going to increase your patience, and you're just going to take much higher quality trades. So the first one here, it removes the temptation or impulsion to take unplanned trades, like 50-50 trades. Okay, so on your phone, you'll often find yourself, you'll be out shopping or out walking the dogs or out on holiday or whatever, and you'll just take a 50-50 trade based on quick analysis on your phone, and 50% of the time it'll end up as a loser. So it's going to increase your win rate and prevent you from taking 50-50 unplanned trades that you haven't done any analysis on. So it prevents you, second thing is, prevents you from over trading. So it'll force you to actually analyze the charts properly, sit down in front of a computer or a PC where your trading platform is, and it'll make you trade less, because now you're taking higher quality trades. You don't have that temptation or that impulsion, because your mobile device is, it's literally like having a casino in your pocket. It's literally like, I think if you're trading from your phone, it's just basically like gambling. It's like having a literal casino in your pocket. Remember, trading is very much like gambling if you don't do it the right way. And by having your trading platform with live money on your phone, I think it just seduces you, or kind of lures you into taking trades from your phone and risking your capital unnecessarily. If you look at top investors, top banks, if you look at Warren Buffett, do you really think that guy's taking trades or making decisions on his phone? That guy's doing proper analysis before he buys a stock or sells a stock. If you look at big bank traders, big hedge funds, they're not trading on their phones. They're trading from a professional platform. They've got a strict routine, and they're doing it like professionals. So that's why it's extremely important, and it'll just prevent you overall from over trading. You'll be more selective and way more selective and more precise with your decision making if you basically trading on a professional, on a proper big platform where you've done your analysis. So third one, it forces you going, it's almost the same as all these reasons are pretty much all the same thing. It all relates back to the same thing, but let's see, this one forces you to analyze the markets properly on a bigger platform and look for high quality trades. So that's self-explanatory. You're just going to take much higher quality trades because you've done your analysis properly, and you're looking at key levels, you're looking at your indicators if you use them properly, you're looking at all the key things, supports and resistance, you're looking for market maker traps. However you trade, you're looking for those things properly on your trading platform. You're looking at round numbers, you're looking at divergences. You can see everything's a lot clearer on your trading platform. So the fourth thing is it allows you to have a routine and trade like a professional from a PC or laptop, and forces you to make a time and place for trading. So you're going to have a time and place. You're going to get all your errands done for the day. You're going to buy the groceries, do the cooking, do everything you need to do, and then have a time and a place and sit down and trade as a professional from your PC or from your laptop. So it'll force you to, it'll allow you to make a time and a place for trading. Because with your mobile phone, it allows, as I said, it's like a casino in your pocket. You can take trades at any time or any place. So by sitting down and having to sit down in front of your laptop, it's going to give you a time, or it's going to allow you to create a time and a place for your trading. Like I trade specifically during the London session. I like the market to build up and create patterns, and I like to look for market maker traps and patterns once the market's built up. So I'm normally taking trades early or midway into the London session. So it gives me a time and place to trade. So that's going to bring down your losses and increase your win rate. So the fifth one, it allows you to treat trading as a business and keeps you focused. It improves your life balance. So that's pretty self-explanatory, but you'll often find when you're out and about walking the dogs or you go on holiday, trading's all about time freedom and financial freedom. So like when you're out and about on holiday, you'll find yourself, because you've got your phone and your trading platform on your phone, it'll take away the life balance. So you'll constantly find yourself in trades, stressing out, and it's really not healthy. I think it's really not healthy. Going back to this, there needs to be a time and a place for trading. It needs to all go back to routine and treating trading like a professional business. So if you constantly find yourself in trades, impulsively taking trades, and it takes away your life balance, so it takes away the whole purpose of trading. It takes away, you stop enjoying things, you find yourself just constantly stressing over trades, and it's like not normal. So going back to removing it on your phone will treat you will it'll improve the balance. So there should be a time for trading and then a time for life. It's the same way you got to work and you come back from work, you go work, you do your routine at work, you make your money. So there's a time for work and there's a time for being at home, relaxing and having that balance. And like, the same way there's a time for eating, there's a time for sleeping, there's a time for everything. So I think there's a time and place for everything. Like, for example, if you overeat, you'll get sick. So, there's always if you overdo anything, there's always negatives to it. There's always a downside to overdoing anything. Like the saying goes, too much of a good thing is a bad thing. So it's the same with your trading. Must have a time and a place, and keep it balanced, and just keep it simple. Have a routine, and otherwise, if you're overdoing things, it's really unhealthy to be over trading and not having that balance. Just having it on your phone, it makes your relationships suffer. It makes your own personal health suffer. So you gotta keep tabs on your routine and how you go about trading. I think it's very important to have a routine and have everything planned out properly, and just treating it as a professional, treating it as a business is so important. So the final thing is never analyze. Basically, what it boils down to is never analyze or place trades on your phone. So try it for a week, try it for a month. As I said, I've had extreme benefits from it in the past, and it's the only reason why I brought it back was because I got more into swing trading for a while, and I still swing trade, but I found I can still manage my swing trades by actually just by having those trades running on my PC, because it's normally swing trades are normally set and forget low risk trades, so you shouldn't really be even needing to place them, be monitoring them on your on your mobile phone. So that's just my point of view. Another big reason why I had my mobile phone, my trading app back on my mobile phone, was because I wanted to send screenshots of trades to friends and family, like winning screenshots, and post them on social media. So that's just unnecessary. Just trading is like your own journey. It's your own personal journey. So there's really no need to send pictures of profits or screenshots of sniper entries or anything like that to friends or family. Just keep it personal, keep it to yourself, and people will see the results from your trading. If you reach success, which you will do in time, it takes, I'd say, 4 to 5 years to actually become successful at trading. So it all takes time to get the psychology and the risk management right. So I think that with time, people will see the results when you when you buy that car, or when you buy that house, or whatever it is, whatever goals you have. People will see the results later on. So don't. There's really no need to show what you're doing right now. There's no need to take screenshots and send them to your mates or whatever. People will see the results later. So that's basically this whole thing in a nutshell. If you learned anything, please give this video a like. Please subscribe. Please comment, and I'll catch you guys. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down as well. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I've got some good videos coming up on how to pinpoint order blocks and how to get better entries, more quality entries on your trades. So that's coming up as well. But take care for now, guys.